such a nice story with Tordano, with Castellete Villafranca. We'll now do the same, start from the beginning. Well, the Piña is already formed, as you might understand, but the second support level is being constructed at this very moment. The second level, 3 people is there, and now they are being accompanied by other people starting to build the folra. These are the Colliajova Chiqueta Tarragona, and they will build a Trestano, a 3x9, which is a construction that I can't say for how many years it is that they, well, maybe I shouldn't say too much here, but it's at least a construction which is considered a major breakthrough if they make it here today. I would guess it's their first Trestano for this season. If they make this, it will have a big importance, not only for this team, but also for this Day of Human Towers here in Vilanova La Geltrú as such. It's been a long time since we last saw a Human Tower from the Gamma Extra, which the Castellete Villafranca just served us. And then to have a second team building a Human Tower of 9 levels, that is truly nice, and one on the same day. That the local teams, the Burgas de Vilanova, so far have accomplished what they have wanted to do. A 5x7 and a 4x7 with a needle, but as I said, some like Julia, certainly doesn't make this day worse. This is a Trestano Amfolra. So there are not manillas. There is one extra support level, but not 2. The josses are in place. The Ashekador is in place, there behind the palm leaf. And we will have a Trestano Carregat by the Colliajova Chiqueta Tarragona. This is shaking, but I am quite convinced that they will make it, because now the pure willpower will make this work. Look at that. What a beautiful construction. What a beautiful construction. Colliajova Chiqueta Tarragona. And what a day of human towers we have here today. This is the Ala Castellera, the Day of Human Towers at the Festa Major Vilanova La Geltrú, Penedès, Catalonia, 2011.